Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Are you ready for some Monday Night Football Tablescape 20? Well, it's kickoff time, everybody. Let's go. Alright everyone, I wanted to quickly jump on and thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed my take on the Monday Night Football Tablescape 20. So again, I wanted to thank the host. The host is, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And her name is Kale. So please go down and find the link that I have in the description box to her channel. I'm sure you will not regret it. Also, please go down and visit the playlist. You will see all sorts of fun Monday Night Football themed tablescapes. Now, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope you'll do that today. Make sure you tap that notification bell at least 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.